You can use it as a pressure cooker, a rice cooker, and even simple sautéing. The Instant Pot to date has been designed to combine up to 10 appliances into one. Stick with me in this first of a series of short videos where I'll show you its features, how to use it, and some of the accessories that you can use with it. So the model I'm going to be showing you guys is the Duo Plus, which combines 9 appliances into one. It comes with 15 preset programs. Now the built-in smart programs are there to help you take the guesswork out of how long to cook something in the Instant Pot. They're not actually set in stone, so you can adjust them if you need to. So for example, if I show you the meat program, it's showing me 45 minutes, but by pressing the plus and minus buttons, I can increase or decrease the time, and that will actually set the time for the meat program going forward until I change it again. When using the sauté function, always wait for the hot sign to show up first and then sear your meat or sauté your vegetables. There is a pressure cook button that also lets you set your own time if you don't want to use the preset buttons. So you'll just set the time manually by using the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the time. On earlier models this was called manual, but they are both exactly the same thing. I'm not sure if you can see here, but you can actually adjust the pressure level from low to high. And I'm going to talk about this in one of my next videos, so please be sure to hit the subscribe button with your notification bell turned on if you would like to watch that. Opening the lid is a simple twist, and I believe other than the very first model, the handles have been designed as a lid holder, so you can just pop your lid in there, which I very rarely use. Either I forget or I just find the lid gets in my way. The silver pot is the liner inside, and this is where all the magic happens, so you can't use the appliance without it. My Duo Plus came with a handy little trivet that I can use by just popping it inside, and also a soup ladle and a rice spoon. So on the lid you'll have a knob which you will turn onto the ceiling for when you're cooking and onto the venting when you want to release the steam. So it looks like what they're doing with the newer models is they're separating this knob into 2 separate knobs, where you'll turn the lower knob here and the steam will come out from the upper knob here away from the hand, because I think a lot of people were scared when the steam was coming out so close to their hand. And the silver pin here is your indicator. When the pot is at full pressure, the pin will be up, and when there's no pressure, the pin will be down. And on the inside of the lid you'll have this little valve here, which is where all the steam gets released. And it's a good idea to pull this off and give it a good clean underneath here, because when you're cooking and releasing the steam, sometimes some food bits or particles can get stuck under there, and it's very easy to just clip back on. And you also have a silicone sealing ring. Just give it a little tug and you can pull it all out to give it a good clean. Just make sure to pop it back in all the way by pressing it down firmly so that it's in place, otherwise the lid won't seal. And in some cases when the pot is building pressure, water will start spewing out from underneath the lid. When the pot is building pressure, it will make a loud hissing sound, and then the pin will pop up. And then the timer will start and it'll start counting downwards. Doing a natural release means not touching the pot at all and just waiting for the pin to drop itself. To quick release, you'll turn the knob until all the air comes out of it. And it's usually a good idea to do this very gently in short bursts, and use a mitt as well. Once you turn the knob all the way and all the pressure is out, then the pin will drop and it'll be safe to open the lid. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to watch out for more Instant Pot videos.